Hello everyone, welcome back to the session of data structures. In today's section, we'll be seeing how to insert a node at the beginning of the list. Let me share my PPT here. The learning outcome of today's session is, after the completion of this session, you'll be able to know how to insert a node at the beginning of the single linked list. Basically, these are the different types of operations what we have in a single linked list. The first one is the insertion at the beginning of the list. It means we can insert a node at the beginning of the list. And the next one is how to insert the node at the end of a single linked list, and how to insert a node at a particular position in a given list. If means if we give a particular position, at that particular position we have to insert the given node, and how to insert before a given node and how to insert after a given node. Now we'll be seeing the first one, that is insertion at the beginning of the list. See, what is insertion at the beginning of the list? Basically, this is our previous created linked list. Okay, here now what we have to do is we have to insert a node at the beginning of the list like this. Okay, for that what we have to do? Firstly, we have to create a node. By allocating some memory, we have to insert some data into that. Suppose this is called as current node. After allocating memory to this node, we have to insert some data into that node. That is, suppose it is 10. Next, if we want to link this node to the previous node, that is head node, what we have to do? We have to store the address of this node in the current node link. That means we have to store the address as 1004 into this like this. It means automatically this get linked. Then what we have to do, already we know that in every single linked list, the first node is the head node and the last node is the tail node. So if we want to make the current node as head node, we have to remove the head node from here, and we have to mark it the head node as here. So the node is been inserted at the beginning. Now we will see how this is done. Let me erase this first. Okay, now see. First, to create a node, we have to allocate some memory for that node. By the help of this statement, we can create a node. That is, what is the function that we use for allocating the memory is malloc function. By using malloc function, we can allocate the memory to the node. That means some memory is allocated to the node. It means a node get created like this. Now, by using this read current data, it means by using this current data, we can read the data into the list. That is 100 is been read into the list. Next, what we have to do, automatically when we allocate some memory, the address of this node will be as 1000 or some other thing. For example, it may be some 1000. Next, the next step is to link the newly created node to the first head node. That is current link equals to head. It means we have to store this 1004 into the address of the current node. This is the current node, and this is how the link has been established by storing the address, and the head node will be the first node. By giving head equal to current, the head node will be the current node. This is how we can insert the node at the beginning of the list. Here is the insert beginning function, what I have written in C programming language. Firstly, what I'm doing is by using this statement current equal to struct node star malloc size of struct node, I'm allocating some memory for that node. Next, by using scanf statement, I am reading the data into that node, that is 100. Next, after that, I am checking whether there are any nodes in the list or not. If suppose all these nodes are not present, it means there is no single linked list, then obviously head is null, then will directly display list is empty. If there are some nodes in the list, then only we can insert that node. Already some nodes are there in the list, so we'll be going for the else part. Here what we are doing, we are linking this current node to the already established single linked list. That is, By using this statement, we are linking the first node to the already established single linked list, and afterwards we are making the current node as head node. Because in any linked list, the first node is called as head node and the last node is called as tail node. I think you are clear with how to insert a node at the beginning of the list. Let us see with some other operation in the coming up sessions. Thank you.